So I was watching YouTube a couple of days ago, and I saw this bloke called Cam Wild Touring, and he was making a drink, cocktail, which I can't remember what he called, but it had a coffee rum. Now, if you know the ingredients to a Ronda, which is ginger ale, coffee, and rum, yeah, you can see where this is going. We're having a Ronda. And then we'll get into the episode. This is Cam Wild Touring.
Cam Wild Touring.
Cam Wild Touring.
Cam Wild Touring. Cam Wild Touring. Cam Wild Touring. Cam Wild Touring. Cam Wild Touring.
How you doing?
It's one word, by the way. Cam Wild Touring.
That's right, yeah. Said normally with a bit of a slur.
Cam, welcome to Ronda Town.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Is this a double or a single?
Double.
Good. The correct amount for a Ronda.
There's more rum there if you need it.
This is perfect. So the other name for this is a dark and horny.
Yeah.
Because it's like a dark and stormy, but with the caffeine,
Yeah.
you know,
Giggity.
tightens the trousers.
Beautiful. Thank you, mate. Cheers.
Yes, there's a massive slope off the edge of the caravan. Cam's way taller than me.
That's good, eh?
It's nice, isn't it?
Really good.
Yeah. Bit
Like
dangerous.
it. Yeah.
Can you buy this?
Not yet. I can get some for you, though.
I just want
I think he's looking at doing it,
Okay.
but there's, legal things.
It's not coffee, it's booze.
Yeah. There's that.
Right. Let's cook some dinner. Alright, let's get going on tonight's dinner, which is crumbed cutlets. Now, crumbed cutlets are, they're lamb cutlets, but crumbed. They're also not generally done that well, and I don't know why. I don't know how you can really screw it up, but I've managed to see people do it. They're very easy. You get them from the butcher, and they are one of the most satisfying things to eat. They're just brilliant. I'm going to do them with some mash and peas and gravy and stuff, but yeah, we're just going to start off by putting potatoes in water because, and I don't peel them, I just chuck them on. You want to dice them a little bit small, because if you dice them small, they will get soft quicker. Yeah, so crumb cutlets are one of those things I like for camping because, I don't know, there's a lot of screwing around that goes along with crumbing stuff, and I do it a lot. So the fact that these are all pre-done and they seem to hold together nicely is a win for me. Health star rating, pretty damn low. Don't care. To the fire. All right, the spuds are getting pretty soft, so I think it's time to do some of this, which is, how much oil do I have in here? Not very much. It's time to make some meat. It's okay, I have a little bit of spare oil. I broke my rule for next week's episode, or another episode anyway. The fighter talk with Cam Wild. And I went to an Asian supermarket because it wasn't a cooking episode, and I bought so much fun stuff. And I think that episode is going to be really fun. Why is that not on? It should be on. There we go. Okay, I'm going to go and chuck that in the fire to get it warm. Just trying to find the flattest spot.
Yeah.
Now I need a little bit more hot water at some point. Whack that on the heat as well. Next, I'm going to find a stick. That's a stick. And this stick is my thermometer. So I'm going to stick that in the oil. If it fizzes, I'm ready to chuck the other stuff on. But first I need to go and get my pantry and the meat, and we'll crack in. Okay. So let's make some mashed potatoes quickly because they can stay warm, and the cutlets do not take long to cook. So I've boiled these a lot because, to be honest, they're way easier to mash if they're still a little bit, if they're really, really well boiled. Start with butter. I'm going to probably put, now I say 50 grams because on butter containers, they actually have 25 gram increments. You have gram increments. So it's actually very easy to cut 50 grams. You don't actually have to weigh it. I had some very good feedback on my previous book, which said sometimes you use cup measurements and tablespoons and stuff like that, and sometimes you use grams. Grams are useless for the bush, and it's very true. Grams are a useless measurement for the bush. See how they're really, really soft because I boiled them for so long. You don't need a masher or anything. This fork's going to do a great job. Who am I kidding? Let's do 75. Wait, that's like 125. I was not cutting on the right thing. No, well, really buttery potatoes. Cam, do you mind buttery potatoes? Oh, it's so creamy already. All right, I'm gonna leave that for now, stir it all up later, because I was gonna put milk in, but I've decided against it. Milk is, if it's not cooked enough, it's kind of a good way of loosening it, like adding a bit of liquid, but that is so well cooked that I'm not too concerned. Let's go and check the temperature. Okay, that's fizzing. So we are good to do cutlets. Cutlets. So if you have a thermometer and you're feeling fancy, 180 degree oil. Ooh, looking brown and delicious. All right, a couple of those are looking good. I'm gonna do this one at a time. I don't want to drop one. Rest. Now, it wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't forget something. I forgot peas. So, oh well, no peas. Now, this is a kind of a dirty pre-made meal and not mad at that. So, dirty pre-made gravy. At least I'm not saying dirty American like I did once. Sorry, Nathan. So, Gravox, simple, tastes like, I don't know, a canteen. Fast food, that kind of thing. Tastes like a pub, actually. Just pub gravy. This is very much a pub feed, and it's actually what made me think of it, was going to a pub and ordering this and just being like, oh, really is nice on a very cold day to have this warming, crispy, meaty deliciousness. Even though Gravox is crap, it's just the familiarity. If you want to see how to make proper gravy, go to my poutine episode, or look up a recipe. Yep, tastes shit. Love it. I think we can actually start serving up. Lumpy, camping, gravy, not gravy, mashed potatoes with skins. Perfect. Now it needs a little squeeze of lemon. All right, we are ready. And you eat the last one last, because it's got to cook through and cool down and whatever. Nice. So, camera's got to quickly eat, and then we are going to eat. All right, eat up, camera. Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Looks beautiful.
Come out perfect, mate.
Look at that. Pink.
Yeah, beautiful.
Crispy
Gotta
on
be
the
happy with
outside.
that.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
Bit of lemon makes it.
Thanks, mate. It's beautiful.
All right. A bit of salt and pepper, I reckon. Now, take it to the next level.
Yep.
Let's see how that goes. That's it.
Very good.
Okay, test. Does go with beer. I already know the answer to this, and so do you. And so do you. And so do you, Fred.
So good, mate.
All right. Gonna drink that. Go and sit by the fire. I'll see you in the next one. Do you want to see what the two of us did today? Which was go to Bottom Beach and have a hell of a lot of fun in very, very soft cars. Go to Cam's YouTube channel, Wild Touring, and you can see the trip. But if you want to see cooking, that's where we'll be here. Bye!
Cheers, mate.